Hello all, welcome to the Kiran Academy. This is Atul. In today's session, we'll see how to install Python and how to install VS Code on your machine. So, to install the Python and VS Code, there are few prerequisites which are required. The first prerequisite, you must have laptop. Second, you must have active internet connection. And third is you must know how to use Google. And I hope you know this thing very well. So let's see how to install Python on your machine. So installation of Python is very simple. First, open your browser. So let me open my browser first. So we'll have Google screen. Then in the address bar, write down www.python.org. So you will be redirected to the official website of Python, where you can find all the documentation. Then go on this downloads tab, where you can see download for Windows option. Click on the Python, whatever the version that you are getting on your screen. So for me, it's Python 3.12.2. So click on Python 3.12.2, and within a second, depending on your internet speed, the Python downloaded in your downloads. So it's around 25.4 MB setup. What do you have to do? Just double click on this Python setup and you'll be prompted for install now, add path. So you need to click next every time and check all the boxes whatever asked, and at the end click on the finish button. This is how we install the Python. I already have the Python with me, so I'll cancel this setup. How to check whether Python is installed or not in our machine correctly? So for that purpose, press Windows R and CMD. So we'll have command prompt in front of us and just write in Python. So right now I'm using Python 3.10.5 version. If you have installed currently, then your version might be 3.12, and you will get this cursor. So simply write 10 plus 20. If you are getting result 30, means your Python installation is successful. After installation of Python, you need code editor. So how to download and install code editor? Again, go to the Google and search for VS Code download. So whatever the first option you are getting on your screen, download Visual Studio Code, click on that option and you have three choices in front of you. As per your operating system, if you are using Windows, click on Windows setup. If you are using Linux, so whatever the Linux version you have, click on that setup. And if you are using Mac OS, so click on this setup. I'm using Windows setup, so I'm clicking on Windows. The download automatically gets started, and you can see the file size is around 93.5 MB. So just wait for a few seconds. So again, VS Code is download. In my downloads, again you have to double click on VS Code setup file and accept everything. Click next and check every box it is asked and press next and finish. After finishing, you can see the VS Code is available in your program files. So check VS Code. So you can see that the VS Code setup is available, and you can open your VS Code as admin first time. Okay, it's going for the setup. So VS Code, open the VS Code. So you can see this is my VS Code. So the installation of VS Code and Python is very simple, guys. Do by your own and write down in the comment whether you did installation or not. Then I will upload setup file for you. Thank you. Bye bye.